To redeem American Express rewards points, start by logging in to your American Express online account or mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the rewards section where you can view your available points balance. American Express offers a variety of redemption options, including travel, gift cards, merchandise, and statement credits. Consider your redemption goals and choose the option that best aligns with your needs. For travel redemptions, you can book flights, hotels, and other travel arrangements through the American Express travel portal. You can also transfer your points to participating airline and hotel loyalty programs, such as Delta SkyMiles or Hilton Honors. To redeem points for gift cards or merchandise, browse the American Express Rewards catalog and select the item you want to redeem for. You can also use your points to purchase items from popular retailers like Amazon. Another option is to redeem points for statement credits, which can be used to offset previous purchases on your American Express account. When redeeming points, keep in mind that the value of your points may vary depending on the redemption option you choose. Generally, redeeming points for travel or transferring them to loyalty programs can provide the highest value. To get the most out of your American Express rewards points, consider the following best practices. First, make sure to read the terms and conditions of each redemption option to understand any restrictions or limitations. Second, plan ahead and book your redemptions in advance, especially for travel, to ensure availability. Finally, keep track of your points balance and expiration dates to avoid losing any hard-earned rewards. By following these steps and considering your redemption options carefully, you can make the most of your American Express rewards points and enjoy the rewards you have earned.